Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the skin modifier. What is that skin modifier? For example, I'll put something like here again, a single vertex, and I'm going to one, and I'm going to make a tree. Okay, I'm going to extrude this, something like this. Let's say the tree is like this, and I'll make 5 branches. Okay, and I'm going to create another 5, for example, like this, and something like this. Let me make this one smaller so it will not interrupt with this one, and like this, like this. Okay, so something like this, we create something like this, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select this and extrude it to down. Okay, to down, and something like this is created. Let me go to the skin modifier. Something happened, isn't it? Something happened. Yeah, can make something like this, or Control A. Let's make all transforms. Let's see what's the difference. And it created a branch for us. You see, a branch. We can maybe solidify this one. You see, we solidified, made it a lot more larger. But why this is very small? How we can make it bigger? I'll tell you how. Right now, let us go to same single vertex and extrude something small, not big. Let's not be big. Let's make it smaller, because it was big. That's why it extruded something like this. Something like this, and yeah, and extrude this one, don't forget. And now let's see the skin modifier. Now it's bigger. Do you see? Because it was we made it smaller. Okay, and we can give it what? Control 1, so it can smooth it. You see, shade smooth, something like this, occurred. And that was it. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.